everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. My name's Marybeth. We're going to be talking more in today's video about copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. This copy and paste ad system's been going strong since 2018. Can you believe it? I've been part of it, successfully earning with it for the past 3+ years. Absolutely love it. And it's perfect for anybody that needs a side hustle, that needs to make extra income, increase your monthly cash flow, and also people who don't want to be on social media. So it can work for anybody, all ages, people from all around the world. It doesn't matter because it's really simple. It's affordable, it's duplicatable, it's scalable, and everybody can copy, paste, post, and ultimately profit. Okay? This is the back office. You get an entire back office system giving you everything you need from your pages, from your websites that you can share so that you can make money. All the ad copy is provided to you and for you, all your pre-written ads, plus all of the resources, exactly where to go to copy, paste, and post so you can make money. So this essentially eliminates all of the guesswork, takes and removes the guesswork out of the equation. So you're not going into this not knowing what to do. You're going to know exactly what to do and how to do it. And it's very easy. This requires no special skills, knowledge, expertise, experience, no following, no social media presence, no fancy degrees, folks. Anybody, when I do mean anybody, can do this. Anybody can do this. So this is the back office. After you make your 2 payments, the total out of pocket is $129 one time, no monthly fees at all. You'll first pay your admin of $29, then your membership of $100. Okay? And I accept all major credit cards. If you have any questions at any time, I'm going to drop my link below, dailypaywithmarybeth.com, and my contact details, my cell. Text or call me, okay? I'm here to help you. I love this system. It's super simple. I know you're going to love it too. So as soon as you log in, after you get your access, you'll want to watch this little video of Pam. And then this is exactly what you're going to click on. New members start here. It's going to take you right into your instructions and your step-by-step training. Okay, your contact details will be here. We have an awesome Facebook group for paid members. You definitely want to request to join that. You definitely want to take advantage of your bonus traffic. Okay, and we even have an optional rotator if you want to participate in that. And this video here will explain the simple compensation plan. You have the potential to earn more. You're done for you email campaigns. Okay, your banner ads. Okay, you have the option to use banner advertising if you wish. You can view all your statistics. And here is your member training and your resources right here. If you need support, this is where you go for support. Here's additional websites that you can post on. Now, Craigslist works very, very well. Okay, we have Hercules. That's a proven resource. I've been using Hercules for many, many years with great results. We have these resources too. Okay, amongst 100+ resources that you're going to be able to tap into. Okay, so there's no shortage of places that you can use to copy, paste, and post your ads so that you can start earning money. And every time your system generates a sign up for you, you get to keep and collect 100% of the sale. Okay, 100% profits go directly to you. Alrighty, so you'll go ahead and start here. This is your new member training that you're going to plug into. You're going to watch this little video here on how to set up your payment methods. Now, I accept all major credit cards. I have a merchant account. I also can accept Cash App and Venmo. And also, I have Square, just to let you know. And the beautiful thing is with Square is they have Afterpay. So if you qualify and you want to go with this option, there are 4 interest-free payments of $25 each. So I can always send you over and email you an invoice if you'd like to take advantage of that. Or if you just want to go ahead and do a credit card, debit card with the $100 on it, you can certainly do that. All right. So just wanted to share that with you. The Cash App is very popular. I do accept that. I have authorized.net, so this is global. This is worldwide. I can accept payments from all over the world. I do have Venmo, and I also have Apple Pay as well. So lots of resources for you, lots of choices. You're just going to go ahead and set everything up here following in order. Step 1, set up your payment processors, your profile. Here's all your sample ads, folks, that you're going to use to copy, paste, and post. And there's no shortage of sample ads. Top places to post, like I said, everything is provided. There's done for you traffic. You certainly can use social media if you want to. I mean, Facebook works very well. We've got Instagram. We have YouTube. We have TikTok. Okay. We have Pinterest. There's LinkedIn, just to name a few. All right. And then step number 6, how to post the ads. So there's full training, step-by-step instructions, step-by-step video tutorial training. Okay. And here's your member area training right here in step number 6. And then your access your bonus ad credits. So you just follow these. You take your time. Go at your own pace. Okay. Very, very easy. All righty. Here's all the different ways that you can get paid. And if there is a way that you want to utilize, for example, Canada Wise works very well. I mean, you can use whatever you want. I mean, you literally can use whatever you want. You just specify your instructions in the manual. But we've got Authorized, we've got Bitcoin, we've got Square. Okay, I also have Square. There's Stripe, there's Cash App, there's Venmo, there's Zelle, and then we have the manual. So there's PayPal, there's Wise, there's Apple Pay, whatever you want to use, folks. Totally up to you. Alrighty? So we have that. You're going to go ahead and complete your profile and set up how you want to get paid, and then plug right into your training right here. Okay. You'll be able to track all your contacts. Here's your pages. Okay. Done for you pages set up, ready to go. So there's many pages. All you do is point and click. You're going to choose the page you want for your website, make it your primary, and then come down here to the sales page and make this your redirect. It has a built-in email autoresponder with follow-up emails ready to go out for you on your behalf, okay, to help you to convert a percentage of those leads coming through your website into paid signups so you can start making $100 commissions on every sign-up that your system generates for you from your ads that you're out there copying, pasting, and posting. It's really simple, folks. This is a fun system. It's a simple system. It's affordable. Like I say, it's duplicatable. It's scalable. It's worldwide. It's something anybody can do to help you to increase cash flow, okay, in the new year. Perfect for 2026, especially if you're somebody who does not want to be on social media for whatever reason. This is fantastic. You don't have to speak to anybody. Truly an introvert's dream come true system, all right? So you'll track and monitor your team here. Here's all your tools, your statistics, ad tracking, autoresponder emails. I Spin Auto Builder. This is for your bonus credits. And here's all your sample ads. All you do, this has been all updated this year, so it's all totally current. Okay, the subject line is here. It's provided. You literally just come right over here. You right-click copy and then right-click paste into the body of the ad on the site that you're going to be doing your copying, pasting, and posting on. So basically, you come here, you highlight this, okay, and you right-click copy, and then you're going to right-click paste. All right, very, very easy. Easy peasy. Okay, that's how you do it. All the ads are here. There's no shortage of ad copy. We have many, many, many ads. And the beautiful thing is, you can take the system, you can take the ads, you can take the resources that are all provided, the training, the instructions, and you can just make a few little minor, adjustments, and you can use this for any business opportunity that you're part of in 2026. So it's universal information and training. That's the beautiful thing, folks. It can be used for anything. Okay, look at this. Ready for financial freedom. Folks, these days, who isn't? Okay, our automated system does the work for you. And here's the ad. All you would do if you want to use it for something else is change this up. Maybe you have a system that pays $200 a sale. So you change the 100 to 200, and you take this link out and you replace it with your new link, and you use it anywhere you want to use it. Okay? So folks, there's so many ads that you can use. Copy, paste, post. Look at all this. Okay? They're all awaiting you, so you don't have to stress about writing ads or knowing what to say or where to post these, folks, because everything is provided. All right? So everything's here. Here's your sample ads. Here's your resources. Okay, join the Facebook group. Resources and training. Look at this, folks. Here's additional training. Your getting started guide, your follow-up emails and autoresponders. If you have a third-party autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, you can literally upload all of these into your GetResponse or your Aweber and use your own autoresponder. All right? Here's all your Craigslist posting, your Craigslist training, how to post an ad on Craigslist. Top 100 places, all the places to copy, paste, and post are all provided right here. Top 100 places. Facebook groups. You can make good use of Facebook groups. This is free as well. Many of these places are free as well too. We have mindset videos. We have sample Craigslist ads right here. So everything you need, additional resources, additional training is here. Getting started guide, okay? You just take your time, you click here, and you go through this, all right? So just follow these steps right here, okay? Very, very easy, all right? Very easy. And there's all your resources, resources and training, like I shared with you. See, member training, here's your sample ads, all right? Sample ads, Craigslist sample ads, places to advertise. I mean, look at this. Places to advertise. Here's additional Craigslist posting. Here's additional traffic and lead resources. Here's more Craigslist posting tips and cities. It tells you where the best cities are to use on Craigslist. You want the high traffic ones so that you can get the best results if you elect to use Craigslist. YouTube marketing and payment method tutorial. So you definitely want to plug into these additional resources and information and training and use them. Okay, use this all to your advantage. Works very, very well. See, Craigslist posting tips in city, places to advertise, banner ads. If you want to use banner ads, you can use banner ads. All right. A great resource, topsurfer.com. I'll share that with you here momentarily. And then we've got Herculist and we have Udemy. So if you or somebody who doesn't want to use social media, we've got all kind of resources for you to go with, okay? And here's additional bonuses that you can tap into, different ways to get paid. So everything you need, you just take your time, go through this, but essentially your sample ads are all provided to you and where to go to use to copy, paste, and post. Lots and lots of free resources. You just go and register, sign up for a free account, and then you just use the ad copy and post it. And make sure your link is in there and it's clickable. Okay? So that's all you have to do. This is super easy. So let me just share with you a couple of resources here. Topsurfer, TOPSURFER.com. Topsurfer.com. I've been using this resource, folks, for many, many years. It's trusted, it's proven, and it works. You just sign up right here, get yourself an account. They have email advertising, they have hit exchange advertising, banner advertising. So you can tuck those banners in the back office of your copy, paste, post ad system and do banner advertising. There's link ads. This is a great, great resource, okay? Sign up, log in, and just decide, which ways you want to use to advertise your copy and paste website. Alrighty? And then we're going to head on over to site number 2, Herculist. HERCULIST.com. Again, if you don't want to use social media, these are excellent resources in addition to the free and classified sites provided to you and for you, including Craigslist. Okay? So you go here, you sign up for Herculist, and then you basically start doing your advertising and pick how you want to advertise. Okay? So you can do that. Okay, advertise to thousands hourly, completely free. They have all kind of resources. Submit your ads now. So you'll just go ahead and sign up, and then you can pick and choose which methods that you want to use inside of Herculist, free and low cost paid. All right, there's an excellent option for $20 ads inside of Herculist, so that might be something that you might want to give consideration to. All righty, and then we have another wonderful resource. udimi.com, Udemy, udimi.com. All right, go here. There's hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of vendors where you can buy traffic. You can buy clicks. Start from where you are. You can buy 100 clicks. All you do is choose the vendor, check the reviews, They'll write the email copy for you, send it to their list. All you do is order up your package and include the link to your copy and paste website. It's super easy. Okay? But everything you need is included. And what you're going to want to do right now, you're going to want to head on over to Daily Pay with Marybeth.com. All right? Daily Pay with Marybeth.com. There's my website. All right? This is the marketing system I'm using. Happy to share the details with you. It's working out very, very well for me. Love it. All right? I know you will too. So just enter your name and your email. Come on in and check it out. You're going to land on my landing page. Okay, so let me share with you exactly what that looks like right now. Okay, and what's going to be awaiting you is 3 explainer videos. Okay, so you're going to want to watch this 5-minute video first. Then this is a testimonial video. Definitely tune in here. Don't just take my word for this. Of course, I love this system, folks. It works really well. I can't say enough of good things about it. I know you will too. And then we've got a fun music video. Here's all the highlights of what you're going to be getting for your $100 plus the $29. Okay, so just make sure you pay attention and read this note, and then you're ready to go. You're going to click the Buy Now right here. Here's me. Here's my contact details, so click here. All right, and this is where you're going to go to create your account. You'll watch this short little video of Pam. You'll enter your first name, your last name, email, phone number, okay, and then you'll go ahead and create a username and a password, and then you'll be able to log in. All right, really easy after you make your 2 payments. One-time payment, $29 plus $100, $129 total out the door, folks. Just make sure you see my name here, Marybeth Angelelli, in parentheses, Marybeth A. Okay, so with that being said, folks, thank you so much, and welcome in advance to Copy and Paste Ads, as simple as it gets. I know you're going to absolutely, positively love this system. What's there not to love? You'll be ready to go for 2026, the brand new year, with your very own simple side hustle so that you can start to increase your monthly cash flow. You'll have your own little side hustle ready to go. This is perfect. It's simple. You're going to love it. And I'm here to help you. Reach out. Any questions? Anytime. Thank you. My personal contact details are below. All right? See you soon on the inside. Bye for now.